See, this is the basic screen. Uh, so this is the basic screen. So here we have the workshop issues, workshop returns, and workshop reports. There is a dashboard. There is a shortcut buttons, and here we can see all of these transactions, cash receipts, bank payments, for related to gold, metal receipts, metal payments, and related to gold, metal purchases, metal purchase returns, metal sales, metal sales returns, and related to the diamond section, diamond and stone, consignment sales and consignment sales return, and diamond jewelry purchases and diamond jewelry sales means here stone and diamond including together, and diamond jewelry purchase returns and diamond jewelry sales returns, and then diamond consignment purchases and diamond consignment purchase returns. So consignment you have purchase also, sales also, and then diamond purchase consignment purchase returns also, and barcode printing for diamond jewelry. Suppose if you want to create the barcoding, you can create also, and petty cash transactions for general expenses, daily expenses, and others. And these are the main menus for this software is for the diamond jewelry and gold jewelry together. Diamond jewelry manufacturing, diamond jewelry retail sales, diamond jewelry wholesale, and diamond jewelry consignment purchases, consignment sales, all together having this system. Okay, see, so here the main related to masters, there is accounts master for all the party accounts, customers and suppliers, and stock master. In the stock master, there are two masters. One is for the diamond, and one is for the gold. Okay, so because this software for gold and diamond, and here diamond jewelry master, we have the complete main master, which is the master come assembler. Means you see there are buttons. So this is diamond details. Suppose if you have an item, inside the item you have diamond details, you have metal details, you have stone details in one item. So means if you buy the loose diamond, if you buy the loose stone, and if you buy the gold, 18 karat gold, all three together we can make a final item. That is called manufacturing or setting. Okay, so this is the master, main master. I will explain you detail on the screen.